Hi, in the last sessions we learned about drop down and fixed size control. In these lessons we'll learn about another control that is called input box control. Let us come back to the studio, Google Data Studio. So this is the that control that we have created in the last session. Let us delete it. So this is deleted. By that we can select the control and press delete button. It will automatically get deleted. Okay. So we let us add another control that is called input box control. So let us add this input box control. Okay. Let us see what this input box control is all about. Okay. So to this, take for example, let us bring regions. So what is the control field? Let us see, this control field appears as subcategory, therefore it is subcategory. Let us bring it the regions. Okay. So we'll bring regions here. We can drag and drop. Okay, region. So now it is. So let us see this. So how this is different. Okay. So basically, how many kinds of regions are there? There are three regions, as we know. One is north, central, and south. Three kinds of regions are there. So here, what happens in case of drop down list? What happens that there is a drop down. So all three were appearing. In case of fixed, so all these were not that appearing in the form of in drop down from the drop downs, rather these were fixed. Okay. So but here what happens, input box control, basically we have to write the input, we have to put the input. What is the input? So there are three inputs are there. One is central, another is north, another is south. So we can write it, but let us remember this is very much case sensitive. Suppose take for example, let me write central, central and press enter. Let us see. So what is appearing? So nothing is appearing because this is very case sensitive, because central is written as C, the central is written as C capital. So therefore we need to write C as capital. Then we can press enter. Let us see if this. So this is what changes is going to, we can see the view. So similarly we can see, so this is the report actually that we have get, we are getting. So similarly we can write as north, we can write as north. Let us enter. So this is the figure that is coming. Okay, that is called total sales is 170 thousands, 170.9 thousands. Okay. So let us check for south. Take for example south. Take for example. So this is the sales it is coming. So this is what about input box control. So in case of input box control, what happens? We have to that write the input. Okay, we have to remember the different items under the particular dimensions. Okay. So but in case of drop down or in case of fixed size control, all these are by default they will appear, whether in the form of drop down or in the form of fixed size. So that's for the lessons. Thank you very much.